This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Oscar Fortune. Great opportunity for first-time home buyer or investor. 2-bed/1 bath, central heat and air. Attached sunroom, square footage not included in total footage, updated kitchen, with dishwasher, but hasnâ? T-bin installed. Large utility room. Fenced backyard, with storm shelter, dog kennel, large outbuilding for storage and also and 6x8 shed. Large garage with workshop area with electricity and access to the alley. Home has monitored security system, front and back cameras, camera doorbell. Conveniently located for shopping and OSU. Refrigerator remains with property, but is warrantied. Washer/dryer and range not included. For more information, review the details below or contact Oscar Fortune at 405-747-6042.